Hi guys, this is one unboxing day number 2 unboxing day. Tita Tracy, thank you. I cannot literally break it. First, I cannot break it because there is something in here. I want to see this, guys. I just gonna open this. By the way, guys, I fast forward. It can like.
String lang naman yung isang package.
I fast forward, guys.
Look at me.
Oh! Fucking video! Guys, this is so hard to open. Fast forward. Another.
It's your progress. Dapat ito na.
Oh, where's my babe? No!
Yes.
Oh, my babe was over here. Guys, you thought I got scammed, right? But my babe was...
Ang bata yan.
Okay lang. I'm still a kid at heart.
Yep, I agree with that, Blight.
Di ba? Wala, at least
Guys,
hindi na ako kailangan
I
din
just-
ng Tracy ng present. for
My dad
Christmas.
is just...
Sabi mo kay Tracy.
Thank you, Ate Tracy. Di mo na ako kailangan bilan ng present for Christmas. Okay na to.
Yung favoritism eh, no?
3, 2, 1.
Like it?
Yeah. Thank you, Tita Tracy. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And then view in my page because I just want to be a viewer. So I will be back in my views again next time. Bye bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.